Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to shoot a quick video. Kurv Investments just came out with their January distribution announcements. So let's go ahead and look at some of those numbers here. So going to their X page, they came out with this data yesterday. So as we can see on this tweet, TSLP is paying $1.30, NFLP 85 cents, AAPY 30 cents, GOOP 45 cents, AMZP 70 cents, MSFY 30 cents, and KQQQ coming in at 15 cents. So what do those numbers mean? So we can see Tesla, the TSLP one, that's paying roughly a 48.23% yield. Next one on the list is NFLP coming in at 30.28%. AAPY is paying 14.03%, GOOP 17.26%, AMZP 25.02%, MSFY 13.74%, and KQQQ coming in at 6.47%. So, pretty interesting, right? You know, these yields are not as big as some of their competitors, such as YieldMax, but you know what they've even said in some most recent tweets is that, okay, so here it is. You know, they mentioned this in their tweet. You know, in 2024, there were a lot of high income. There were a lot of high income claiming ETFs, but some of them suffered significant NAV erosion. Right, not to be calling out any other companies in their tweet here, but they're pretty much talking about how they have not only delivered monthly income, but they've had stable NAV behavior. So they're saying they're designed to generate monthly income while also preserving upside participation. And they said this is not a coincidence, but reflection of how we want to treat every investor's asset with the same care and integrity we have carried through our institutional asset management practice for decades. So they're passionate about bringing highly specialized strategies to every investor with a disciplined approach. So definitely go check out the funds. You know, they're focusing not only on monthly income, but NAV stability. And if that's something that is interesting to you, definitely go check out the funds, do your own research. Let me know your thoughts down below. Kurv ETFs, are you already an investor of these funds, or you know, or are they on your watch list per se, and something you're going to take a look at? They only have 5 or 6 funds, like we talked about. There's not too many here. TSLP, NFLP, AAPY, GOOP, AMZP, MSFY, and KQQQ, where KQQQ is more of like a basket of stocks. It's not single stock based. But you know what I've been seeing in the community as far as, you know, how they can improve is people want to see like these distribution payments kind of different, right? You know, kind of like YieldMax. YieldMax used to just pay once a month, but they split up their payment schedule per se, and so now they pay like every week, which is really cool. You know, they split up their ETFs to pay out on different schedules, so you can almost create like a weekly income stream. You know, with that, it's gonna, you know, the fund managers are gonna have to, you know, pay more money, so the expense ratios might stay higher. That's something that, you know, I kind of understand, and that might be one reason why they may not have done that yet. But stay tuned. We'll see if they kind of innovate their process and change, you know, anything that they're doing to kind of implement something like that to be a little bit more competitive with YieldMax and Roundhill and some of these other fund managers. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Once again, these are the Kurv January distribution estimate amounts.